Hello ladies and gentlemen, quick review on this nice industrial rack. We purchased this at Costco. There is a item number right here or article 1600-208. So this is a commercial grade shelving. The reason why I get this is $200 because I was looking for a plastic one. Those ones were gone. So you see I have those I have those tubs, and vertical, I'm sorry, not a vertical, horizontal, it fit like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. But you can also stock them like lengthwise deep inside. I'll show you what I'm talking about. The shelf I was thinking to buy is these guys, but they are all gone. He actually was sold in Costco for $29, and each one of those can fit one. So 1, 2, 3. You can put 4 of them over here, and one on top. So it's 5 of them tubs. This one can fit. It's a horizontal. It's going to be 8, but I honestly thinking to put them this way, because I see in the picture sometimes you can put them this way. Now we're gonna fit 3, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm gonna have fit 12 of them, where this one's holding only 8. Let's see how it goes. It's basically it's very nice and sturdy welded frame. It's all painted steel, and this is how deep it is. The height is 7 inches, width is 77, where 2 of these is only 74. It comes with 2 more bars, This is the part numbers, and that's their logo, Gorilla Rack. So probably only one sign's go in the front. I come with horizontal bars and stainless steel. It's almost a quarter, I would say, not a quarter, but almost a quarter. Very heavy duty mesh. That's going to be shelving. Well, let's go ahead and start putting these things together. All our parts is pretty much the same. You got horizontal 8 bars. They are identical. There's holes over here for the intermediate parts, for the short pieces. For this, everywhere is the hooks, and you will need a hammer. It takes me about like 10 minutes to unwrap everything and set it aside, and now we're gonna start putting together. It doesn't matter which way those things are go, like side pieces. I want them to run line away from the wall, so you can do it like this, or you can spin it out like that. It's up to you. They're freestanding, and hooks are located just like this. So that's going to be the bottom. So the very first one will be the bottom, just like that. I'm doing this with one hand. One side's ready, and I'm gonna pull this back a little bit. I might want to close the door, garage door, to not wake up my neighbors. Like you can see, I'm doing everything with one hand. I couldn't find my rubber hammer, so even a leg would work. There you go. That's basically one side down. these bars, they just snap in, and if you are looking from this way and if you don't want to see this ugly hole, you just simply lift it, twist it just like this, and it's in the place. That's it. Same with the other one. If you have more than one shelf, you can place them one next to each other, and there's actually a lot to play. You could go this way, or you could go this way. Something for you to know, as you make the spacers, I'm counting holes on each side, and I have like 6 holes on each side, but one of them is a 7, so you can either put on the middle. The bigger aisle will be, my bigger aisle will be bottom, in case if I have to put something large at the bottom. So large one will be probably about what, 2-3 inches taller. Always use protective gloves when working with metal. I have not using them right now, but I did use before. So I started, then I noticed it. The edges worked very well. There's no sharp points anywhere, but I would not risk if I would anybody else, because there's always, you can catch the piece of metal and cut yourself. Now it's all ready, and we're gonna install shelvings. They are pretty light. This one a little bit bent. Nice. To be honestly, I would probably go with all of them instead of the plastic ones, because they're bending, and this has quite much more space. Well, probably best way to, I would suggest to flip it like this, because it's going to be nice and easy to slide. If we have, this is going to be trip over. There you go, just like that. Same on top. There you go. What am I doing? It was right. There you go. And there, stay in spot, doesn't go anywhere. Nice and neat. Let me move this. It's actually very easy to move because it's not heavy, but it can hold quite a bit amount of weight. This is barely fitted. That's my previous shelving made out of the material. I'm remodeling over here everywhere, so I should be able to get into garage door. This is the original. Need to change everything. It looks very ugly. Anyway, lots of them in this house need to be remodeled. So whatever it takes to assemble, probably 30 minutes from unpacking to put it together. Very sturdy, very heavy duty. I noticed something maybe you're interested in. It's kind of bent like here over this point. It's easier to slide this way, but it gets you more room this way because this is laid in between these blocks and lay perfect in. So it's kind of, what about this one? You gotta adjust it a little bit. See, it's perfectly aligning to stay there. So it's up to you. Okay, large crates. You cannot do four of them, but you can do easy 3. Spin this one around and you still have a little bit more space right here. Just if you are on a side, it does not stick a lot. Or let's say this way. Voila! I emptied basically my garage and take some from home too. So this is an amazing space saver. Just for anyone whoever used this type of systems. It was like 59 bucks, but it was in Costco for 29 bucks only. Home Depot at Lowe's have something like this for $60-70. But this is from Costco, 200 bucks. This is amazing. I would just like use only kind of this one. My garage would probably serve me purpose of the storage for what am I doing. As you can see, I'm still unpacking stuff and it's just like, I don't know, this is just amazing. I like the way it is. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you like this product. Please share, subscribe and comment. This is the sizes over here. Again, thanks for watching.